face. They're on now. You can talk to her.
Can you hear?
Say hi, Mom.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Wow. Those are some pretty faces.
Is that how is that a normal response?
That's a good response.
Hi.
Do you want to say hi to your cousin?
That's
She can hear you if you don't want to.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear your mommy?
It's like, is that because she doesn't know what to do with it? It's like, what is this? Like a new sensation?
Brand new. Yep.
Wow, that's super cute.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna clap over here
Okay.
loud. She's looking for it.
Oh,
Girl.
wow.
Oh my gosh.
She's
doing
looking.
Look at those eyes.
Whoa.
Yeah. Now we have to show her. Hey, Annabelle.
Oh,
It's
she has
me.
to see where it's coming from.
There you are.
It's me.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Oh, that
Look
must
at
have
you
been like-
hearing.